Tanima. If you love creating beautiful things with your own hands, you have found the perfect place. Welcome to my channel. Whether you are a beginner or a craft lover, I have got it all covered. From elegant wedding special projects, beautiful crochet creations, to handmade jewelleries, stylish Potli bags, and unique home decor crafts. There is something here for every craft lover. Here, you will find creative tutorials, DIY crafts, festive decorations, home decor ideas, and unique handmade projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and become a part of our creative family. Thank you for stopping by, and let's start creating something beautiful together.